program is sponsored by Thrill City, Hyderabad.
Hello and welcome back to Foresights TV with me, Isma. The Ganesh Chaturthi festival, a significant Hindu celebration marking the birth of Lord Ganesha, concluded this year with vibrant processions across Maharashtra, particularly in Mumbai, Karnataka, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. From September 7th to 17th, devotees engaged in various festivities, culminating in the immersion of thousands of Ganesh idols. This report highlights the key events during the immersion process, the security measures taken and the socio-political context around the celebrations. Here's a special story from Foresights TV. The Ganesh Chaturthi festival concluded on Tuesday, marking the end of 10 days of vibrant celebrations across Maharashtra, particularly in Mumbai, Karnataka, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. This year, the city saw a remarkable immersion of over 7,500 Ganpati idols, including 7,227 household idols, 300 from community groups known as Sarvajanak Mandals, and approximately 50 idols of goddess god. As devotees bid farewell to their beloved elephant-headed deity, the processions were accompanied by lively songs and dances. In an effort to mitigate environmental impact, many places, including Mumbai, adopted eco-friendly practices for idol immersion. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation or BMC facilitated immersion by providing 204 artificial ponds along with 69 approved natural water bodies. More than 1,000 idols were immersed in these designated areas, reflecting a growing awareness of environmental conservation among the community. Among the many heartwarming moments, one family made a striking impression by parading their Ganpati idol in a vintage Rolls-Royce they rented specifically for the occasion. This showcases the personal significance of the festival for many devotees. To ensure the safety and smooth conduct of the immersion processions, an extensive security arrangement was put in place. Over 24,000 police personnel were deployed throughout the city, complemented by CCTV and drone surveillance. Additionally, 71 control rooms were established to monitor the large gatherings. Lifeguards and speedboats were stationed near water bodies to prevent any mishaps. Notably, no untoward incidents were reported during the immersion, highlighting the effectiveness of these measures. The festival also sparked political controversy, particularly surrounding Prime Minister Narendra Modi's attendance at Ganesh Puja, hosted by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud. Modi defended his presence, stating people who are hungry for power have an issue with Ganesh Puja. This incident illustrates the intricate relationship between religion and politics in contemporary India. As the immersion took place, the iconic procession of Lal Bagucha Raja, a well-known community Ganesh idol in central Mumbai, reached Chinchpokli around 6:30 p.m. on its way to Gurgaon Chowpatty for the final immersion. The BMC adjusted public transport services accordingly, with the best bus service rerouting buses and the Western and Central Railway running special late-night trains for devotees returning home. Further south in Hubballi, Karnataka, celebrations at Idgah Maidan proceeded amid controversy. The Karnataka High Court granted permission for Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations at the disputed site, while the Supreme Court rejected similar requests in Bengaluru. K. Govardhan Rao, the convener of the Rani Chennamma Maidan Gajanan Utsav Mahamandal, expressed gratitude for the court's decision, affirming the community's commitment to celebrating the festival traditionally. In Hyderabad, the immersion of Ganesh idols also drew significant crowds. The 70 elaborate arrangements for the event, deploying 25,000 police personnel and setting up 733 CCTV cameras to ensure safety during the immersion. Notably, the auction of the laddu offered as prasadam at various pandals has become a highlight of the festivities, with one laddu auctioning for remarkable rupees 1.87 crore. As the festival drew to a close, cities like Ahmedabad also made necessary traffic adjustments, with 7 roads closed to facilitate Ganesh Visarjan. Commuters were provided alternate routes to navigate around these closures, ensuring smooth traffic flow amidst the festivities. with heavy hearts devotees across India concluded the Ganesh Utsav bidding adieu to their beloved Papa while looking forward for his return next year. The celebrations not only fostered community spirit but also underscored the importance of tradition and environmental consciousness in modern festivals. The conclusion of Ganesh Chaturthi 2024 encapsulates a blend of devotion, community spirit and logistical coordination reflecting the festival significant in Indian culture. While the immersion of idols marks a bittersweet farewell to Lord Ganesha, the measures taken to ensure safety and promote eco-friendly highlighted a growing awareness of environmental responsibility. Moreover, the socio-political narrative surrounding the festival underscores the intricate relationship between culture and politics in India. As the devotees look forward to next year's celebrations, the reflections from this year's festival will undoubtedly shape future observance, ensuring they remain vibrant, inclusive and respectful of tradition and environmental alike. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Foresights TV with me, Isma.